Apply perfectly suited animations and transitions to your schoolwork. Let our AI suggest a style for you based on your content, or choose an alternative one. Let's try it out. You can use these features for a host of different things. Almost anything and everything that comes to your mind, you can use these features for. Select the recommended style. So this isn't a test presentation. What is astronomy? Kids of the planet, Star I Love, Magic Animate. Okay. Now, if we want to animate it, we click on animate, and over here you see this is an option called Magic Animate on the left, which we use to apply perfectly suited animations and transitions. So let's click on Magic Animate. Here, this one. So these are the animations added. Again, these are the animations added. Okay, you can always change the style of the animations, alternative styles, suggestions provided if you want to use any of these. Okay, so similarly you can add it to any of the previous presentations that we just created. Like, let's say we select this one and apply this to all the 10 pages, and now we want some animations added to this one. Replace all pages. I want animation to be added to this one. Magic Animate. Recommended style is digital. I did not like it, so I would say I would use this one. Elegant, energetic, handmade, playful, professional, grunge. This looks good. And minimal. So let's say we use professional. And we apply this style to all the pages. And if we now present this, autoplay, you see this, all the presentations are now animated with the professional styling, and it looks good, right? Yeah. Now this is something that we have always been struggling with, on be it on PowerPoint or be it on Canva. Animating all of it has been a challenge always. So that was Magic Animate. I'm sure you can, and you are excited to about, or excited about surprising your colleagues, your classmates, your office colleagues, everyone with these amazing presentations. So jump onto it, try a lot of them, and make use of it.